Hi, welcome to new video review from FlipLifestyle.com, and today we have Inwood Organics Body Lotion. This body lotion is a perfect blend of vitamin C, beerberry extract, licorice root extract and aloe vera that provides triple action on the skin lightening, whitening and brightening. So this is the package. It is for soft, fair and radiant skin. It will give you delicious glow. No parabens, no sulfate, no LLP, no silicones and no mineral oil. Total volume is 200 ml. There are a lot of details mentioned on the package. It is having MRP of rupees 399 only. So we will unbox it. As we can see, a very nice product design. It is having a pump action and it's a very lucrative design. So you must use a body lotion, especially in the winter season. It repairs skin damage. It also brightens the skin tone. It is naturally derived product and it blemishes concealing. Moisturizing effect is there for long lasting hydration. It is having non-greasy formula. So what does the aloe vera extract does is it moisturizes the skin. Beerberry extract reduces sunspots and clears complexion. Vitamin C brightens the skin. So as you can see, you can open it and you can use it in a pump action. So there's a locking system for this product and it's very simple to use, and a body lotion is a must in the winter season. So you can grab this product. So if you want to purchase it, do check out the link in the description below. My colleague has been using this and she's getting some decent results. So body lotion is important and it is good for skin brightening as well. So if you want to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Also, do like this video and you must subscribe our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos. Don't forget to put the bell notifications on for getting the video updates in your timeline. Thanks for watching this video. Do visit our website, which is FlipLifestyle.com. Have a great day ahead.